Scrambled tofu on sourdough toast. Prepare the ingredients. In a small bowl, place 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Measure 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into a bowl. Measure 1 cup of frozen peas. Grate 370 grams of firm tofu. Grate 1 carrot. Break off 2 handfuls of broccoli florets. Dice the broccoli stems into small pieces. Slice 3 button mushrooms. Dice half a capsicum. Finally shred 1 handful of spinach leaves. Slice 4 pieces of wholemeal sourdough bread. The ingredients are now ready to cook. Heat a wok over a high heat, add the grated tofu and spices. Mix well to coat the tofu. Add the diced capsicum and broccoli stems. Add the sliced mushrooms, broccoli florets and carrots. Add 1 cup of frozen peas. Stir well over a high heat for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Continue to stir over a medium heat. Add the shredded spinach leaves. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve on toasted sourdough.